Welcome to our channel. Deleting your Coinbase account permanently requires withdrawing all assets and following specific closure procedures. Step 1. Before deletion, transfer or sell all cryptocurrencies and withdraw all cash balances from your Coinbase account to avoid losing funds. Step 2. Cancel any recurring buys or sells you have scheduled to prevent future transactions after account closure. Step 3. Close your Coinbase Pro account separately if you have one, as it's distinct from your regular Coinbase account. Step 4. Log into your Coinbase account on a web browser and navigate to Settings from your account menu. Step 5. Select Account Limits and then scroll down to find the Close Account option at the bottom of the page. Step 6. Review the warning message about permanent data deletion and confirm that all your assets and funds have been withdrawn. Step 7. Enter your password when prompted to verify your identity and authorize the account closure. Step 8. Click the final confirmation button to permanently delete your Coinbase account and all associated trading history and data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.